Often what we hear from end users is a problem with the lashing wire bundle. So when the lashing wire bundle sits like this, if you take it out, put it back in, it starts to unspool itself. And some lashers clamp this unit and spool from the outside. And if it's a loose bundle like this and you're spooling from the outside, that lashing wire will pull into the bundle and it's going to bind over itself. So this is completely avoided with the Eagle Lasher because you've got a magazine style door. So you could drop a relatively loose bundle and the bundle pulls from the inner diameter, not the outer diameter. So you're going to completely avoid that problem with this unit. I'm going to go through the installation process of the lashing wire. So we have a spool of our 61010-050 lashing wire. That's a 0.045 diameter lashing wire. And it'll come with your zip ties in place. Your lashing wire door, you just pull this latch forward and it unlatches so you can open up the unit. So when you're ready to install, you want to start by cutting 2 of the zip ties only. And you want to select the ones where the ends are clipped, just to make those ends available. So we can start with that guy there. And this one. So that gives you access to the inner diameter. And you want to have a clean end to work with. So you might have to trim that off to make it a little bit easier. You want to grab the inner diameter and pull it out a little bit so you have some material to work with. This end you want to keep bent over. And you're going to locate that hole. So the outer diameter is going to go through that hole in that direction, like towards the direction of the spool. So you feed that through so that it secures the outer diameter. Then you could drop your coil in place. Then you want to take your inner diameter end and feed it through your bushing. And now you're ready to cut the other 2 ties. Once those are cut, you can just pull them out of the way. Support your coil and close that up. Make sure it snaps shut and you can visually see the latch engage. Okay, when you're threading your lashing wire, you're going to want to pay attention to the direction labels on each side and make note that they're opposite on each side. So on this side, it's indicating to the bottom of the drive wheel and then on the inside. And you can confirm by seeing that this roller is pointing towards the bottom of the roller. So we're going to pull out our lashing wire to the bottom of the roller, and then it goes on the inside. And you can use your clutch to pull it through. So again, that's to the inside, where this would be to the outside, that has to be to the inside around the drive wheel. On the other side, the label shows the lashing wire going to the top of the drive wheel and then on the inside. So we're going to do the same thing, pull it through. This time it goes to the top of the wheel and then to the inside. And you can pull it through.